AI isn't just cool, it's profitable. In 2025, some AI tools are helping people build businesses, automate side hustles, and even replace full-time jobs. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can actually make you money this year. Tool number 1. ChatGPT, Custom GPTs. The first is ChatGPT with Custom GPTs. People are building specialized bots like resume writers, business planners, or even coding helpers and charging others to use them. You can also use ChatGPT to sell services on Fiverr, write ebooks, or manage social media accounts for clients. Tool number 2. Canva AI. Second, Canva AI. Canva now has AI features that generate logos, social posts, and even full marketing campaigns. Freelancers are already using Canva AI to deliver fast designs to clients, and you can do the same, even with zero graphic design background. Tool number 3. 11 Labs Voice AI. Third, 11 Labs Voice AI. This tool creates ultra-realistic voices. People are using it for audiobook narration, YouTube faceless videos, and even voiceovers on TikTok ads. Voice acting used to take weeks. Now you can generate high-quality audio in minutes and get paid. Tool number 4. Runway Gen 2. Fourth, Runway Gen 2, the AI video creator. Imagine making stock videos or short commercials with just text prompts. Many creators are selling AI-generated videos on platforms like Fiverr or using them for their own YouTube channels, turning creativity into income. Tool number 5. Copy.ai, Business AI. Fifth, Copy.ai, which helps you write marketing emails, sales pages, and ads. Companies pay a lot for copywriting because words sell. With AI, you can produce high-quality content fast and start offering digital marketing services without years of training. These are 5 AI tools you can use to actually make money in 2025. From writing and design to voice and video, AI is opening new income streams every day. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Futurenix for more AI tools, tips, and future-proof side hustles.